Hello, Super Solvers. Today, we have a challenge from a toy factory. They planned to make 2,000 game consoles but ended up making even more. Let's figure out exactly how many they made. First, let's picture our starting point. The factory's original goal was to produce 2,000 game consoles. Imagine all 2,000 of them, lined up and ready to go. This big group is our base number, the foundation of our calculation. The factory exceeded its plan by 1/10. To find out what that means, let's split our 2,000 consoles into 10 equal groups. See? Now, we just need to look at one of those groups. 1/10 of 2,000 is 200. So, the factory made an extra 200 game consoles. This is our bonus production. Now for the final, exciting step. We take the original plan of 2,000 consoles and add the extra 200 consoles they produced. Let's put them all together. 2,000 plus 200 gives us our grand total, and the answer is 2,200. And there we have it. By calculating the extra amount and adding it to the original plan, we found our answer. The toy factory actually produced 2,200 game consoles. Great job, everyone.